About to edit in the van and realize I didn't shout out the caddy giveaway. So if you didn't enter for your chance to win the caddy, link's in the description, tommyfyeah.com. Enter for your chance to win the caddy. Get some cool stickers, and let's get on with the video. It's a banger. We got to hang out with Rocky. So there you have Alex. We are in the R32 GTR. You want me to pop the trunk?
Yeah, sure.
I put the gauges in yesterday. She's running a little rough still, but it looks like I have a full tank of gas. Oil pressure, everything works. I don't know about the speedo yet, but we got this thing going. I guess all the gauges work. So you're here from where?
From Germany, from Berlin. Yeah.
Came in from Berlin. You're filming. You're shooting a book.
Yes.
GTRs all over the world, and luckily I got chosen to show off the old V-spec. So we're gonna go down the road. I haven't really driven this on U.S. soil yet, so this will be good. Let's hope it doesn't break down. Look at that, the gauges work real good. The other one was like, my fuel gauge was bouncing around. Speedo works, so that's cool. Glad to see all that. That will boost. So Alex is still shooting. Having a little issue. The GTR's running like shit. I mean, it's not a big deal because I'm gonna pull the engine, but it's alarming. I know it's all related to that turbo, I would assume.
Just do one U-turn, and then I'll get you from shoot you from the front. Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. It's early, 9 o'clock. We're headed to Bloomfield. So every Monday I get zinc plating dropped off and picked up. Super convenient. Base plating, is it base? Base plating. Base plating kills it, slays it for me. But occasionally there's issues. Occasionally things take too long. So my goal today, I have to go there and pick up a few things that I actually really need. But I'm going to try to pick Rocky's brain. Rocky's this like old dude that works at the plating place. I don't know why he does it. I don't really get it, but he helps a lot of restoration places. But I'm going to pick his brain and see how the whole process works and what the equipment is, because I want to do it myself. There's two things I want to be able to do that kill my time: zinc plating and powder coating. And I've seen the little like how-tos online with zinc plating, like with the Tupperware and the tooth. That is not what I want to do. And then you'll never get the results that Rocky gets with the machine he gets. So while searching, I found a place in China that makes miniature stations for zinc plating, and it looks just like one of the big ones that like a factory would use, but it's smaller. If you search like mini electroplating station or something like that, it comes up on YouTube. I hit the dude up on WhatsApp. I haven't heard back, but he kind of advertises that he sells these stations. So if I can get one of those, I'd be 50% to my goal of being able to do all my own zinc plating and powder coating. And then I'd be able to get my powder coating stuff, cut down all those times. I probably would never do wheels or brakes, but all the subframes and the brackets and all that stuff, I would just hose black. I spend a lot of money on that. I think this year already, it's March, I've probably got about 3 to 4 grand in just powder coating.
At least, and it's not a big deal for the stuff that you can't see all the time.
Right, like I don't.
Not to be perfect.
Yeah, I'm not worried about like absolute finish and all that like I would be on wheels. I literally just want the stuff coated so it looks pretty and doesn't rust. But anyway, we got about an hour ride to the plating place. Hopefully Rocky lets me film. He's a little crotchety, if you know what I mean.
He's a character.
Hell yeah. Look at all this. There's like a Skyline rear.
Here's a typical.
Oh, those are mine.
Those are yours, right? Now this sucker here, probably I plated it 3 times now.
Really?
I plated, I sanded, and I think I got a nice surface to go on. Comes out black.
Oh, is that mine?
It's here.
Oh, okay, I thought so, yeah.
This is what I mean.
Yeah. So do you do barrel plating at all? Do any barrel plating? Oh, okay. And what scenario do you use the barrel plating?
What do you mean?
Like why would you do barrel plating over rack?
Oh, small parts.
Okay, that's it. So like the bolts and stuff are barrel plated.
See a part like that. We plate nuts and bolts, right?
Right.
But those parts, you get so many bad ones.
Right.
You dump it and you have to go through the whole goddamn thing pick it up.
Oh, okay.
So it's a lot easier picking them off the rack.
Right.
You know, as you're unracking, you see them.
Right. Oh yeah, see, this is good. That came out good. This looks cool though. No, this is good. You know, so yeah, we were assuming this would be yellow, but this is fine. Oh, cool, you did this yellow. Awesome.
Those, these
The nuts were junk.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just, I didn't know if some of them, it flips down here. So these are for a wheel. This holds a two-piece wheel together.
I just kept these up. But
Awesome. Yeah, they're beat up.
They were bad.
I'll probably buy the nuts new. But
sometimes it's probably the cheapest way to go.
yeah.
But these, now even these here, I plated them twice.
Oh, really?
The first time, even after pickling.
No shit. So there's nothing going to be in these lines? Like I don't need to clean them out or anything?
Well, let's hope not. We hope we get all the water
Okay.
out of them.
Yeah, no, that's fine if it's just water.
But these, even these parts here.
Those look so good.
Yeah, but you know why they look so good?
Because you did them a bunch of
We wire brushed them.
Oh, okay. So we could do that in the future for sure.
Okay, I mean, you know, you start taking one of these suckers and you take it out back and you wire brush it.
Right.
And you start getting in here with the emery cloth.
Right.
It's
definitely
it's time consuming.
Right.
Now this one here.
This we need to take apart.
Yeah, we took it apart because if we had racked it, we would have trapped solution all over the place.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we did that.
Yeah, this all came out really good. So this is what the clear looks like.
Right.
It's almost like a polished metal.
Right.
And then this is the yellow, and it's just yellow zinc.
That's yellow.
It's not like cadmium or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
No. You guys want a coffee?
No, we're good, thank you. Yeah, well.
Barrel. This is the barrel.
Okay.
All right.
But
Cleaner.
okay.
See how the barrel's turning?
Right.
See the saddles? This is where your current coming into the barrel.
Okay.
All right. Now in this case, what you're doing is reverse current.
Okay.
So the current's being pulled
Pulling
away
stuff, right.
from the part instead of
And then that gets all the rust and stuff off the
Right.
part. Yeah. I've seen that. I've seen like cleaning stuff with batteries and you know
Right.
in the water. So that's basically what this is doing.
got a couple of rinses.
Yeah. The acid rinse.
Acid for pickling, get rust or anything after they
So just real quick, these you can lift up and move to another station, each barrel? Right, that thing. That's awesome.
Right.
More rinse water. Hope you guys can hear me. Caustic free dip.
Okay. This is the plating tank. There's your zinc anodes.
Oh, okay.
All right. Caustic soda, you dissolve the zinc. The anode current carries it to the load and you're plating.
Okay.
All right.
So that just pulls from there right onto the bolt.
Right.
That's it. That's the whole process? Okay. It's wild. There's like barnacles growing on shit in here. This place seems super old.
What you do is rinse, chromate, rinse, and dryer.
Okay. Smells wild.
your black screws.
Oh, that's cool. So what is this, the rinse?
That's a chromate.
Oh, this is the chromate, okay. This is the color? This puts a color on it?
That puts either the yellow
Okay.
or the black or the zinc.
So you have to change this every time, or is there a different station for the yellow?
Well, the thing is, most of the stuff over here is hand dipped.
Oh.
Stuff over there is done.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait, this right here, I think I gave you like a dash bar, real long. What's the biggest you can do, 8 foot by 2 or something, you said?
The tank's 8 foot. We like maybe 7.5.
Oh, okay.
We can do 8, but then you'd have to angle it and do all the other crap that might.
That's super cool. So these are the biggest ones.
Right. 6 foot tank.
Wow. So we're out of here. Rocky was super cool, showing us the whole process. This place is absolutely insane. Rocky's super cool.
Oh shit.
Does all our...
Snack truck.
Oh dang. Ray's lunch is here. Sorry if you couldn't hear in there very well. It was noisy, and Rocky's the most soft-spoken man I've ever met. So, stop. So, that was super cool. I'm glad we got a sneak peek at that process for you guys. I'm sure there was questions, and when you see the little videos on YouTube of people doing it, it's such garbage. They have like a Tupperware and 2 plates, and like comes out pretty good. I've noticed with Rocky stuff, it seems almost like thicker. It's hard to explain, but I don't know. Either way, that's the end of the video. We have to get back, start installing these lines. I'm a little butthurt that they're clear and not yellow, but I think for what they are, they look good. Like,
You smell your fingers?
they do smell a little vinegary.
Vinegar or fish?
So hopefully the chrome plated look, I don't know, nickel look, whatever it is, comes out okay. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. We are going to be assembling turbos, putting them on engines.
It's bass plating.
It is bass plating, by the way.